So let's start with the ingredients for this lovely curry. Now here I have one small raw mango or kairi which I've just cut up into small pieces, 4 dried red chilies, 1 small onion that I've sliced fine, 2 green chilies that I've cut into halves. This is half a cup of fresh coconut milk, but you can also use freshly grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, half a cup of cleaned and deveined prawns, 4 cloves of garlic chopped fine. Now all these ingredients will be in the description box below. Now I'm going to add my dried red chilies, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, peppercorns, and a little bit of the coconut milk. Now if you're using freshly grated coconut, then you can add the entire half cup of freshly grated coconut. I like the flavor of coconut milk in my prawn curry rather than using fresh coconut. Sometimes I do use fresh coconut also. Now we're just going to grind this to a nice smooth paste. We're going to add our garlic cloves and a little more of the coconut milk. Now if you have added fresh coconut, that's, you just add it once, the entire thing, and you get a paste like this. So this is the masala water which we wash the mixer with, and a little bit of the coconut milk that is there. Now I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric powder. I don't like adding my turmeric powder to my mixer because it discolors the mixer pot, the cover of the mixer pot. So I always add my haldi powder later on and mix it well with the masala. So now I'm going to heat my pot. Now this is my traditional Goan mud pot which I love to make my fish curries in, or my sorak in. I'll leave a link to all my Goan recipes down in the description box below. There are many of them, so you can go and check it out. Now once the pot is nice and heated up, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add my green chilies which I've cut into halves and my onion. Now I like to work with light green chilies because they're not very spicy. Now just bagar this nicely till the onions and the chilies get nicely fried. Now we're going to add our masala paste that we ground. Now you can also, instead of the dried red chilies, you can also use the Goa red chilies that you get, which is very difficult to get here in Bombay or Mumbai. So I'm substituting it with, Kashmiri red chilies. Now fry the paste well. When I go to Goa, I try to stock up on all the lovely Goan ingredients that you get only, especially in Goa, like the Goa jaggery. I mean, you do get it in Bombay too, but I like, when I go to Goa, I like to stock up on all of the stuff that the authentic stuff that you get in Goa. So now I'm going to fry this masala paste, and I'm going to add the masala water and just stir everything nicely. So you can add how much ever water you want depending on how thick you want this curry. Now I have a little bit of the coconut milk left, so I'm just going to add that too. I like the lightness of the coconut milk over fresh coconut for some reason, and then some water because I wanted a little more water required, but you can adjust it as per your liking. And now we're going to add the kairi or the raw mango. Now, generally, if you don't have, generally we add tamarind, like in sorak, we add the tamarind pulp or the tamarind water. But now since I'm adding, the raw mango, if I add tamarind, then it will become extremely sour. But of course, if you like the taste of tamarind, you can go ahead and add a little more tamarind water. But I guess this kairi really, sours up the curry so well that you don't need to add tamarind. Now I'm just going to flavor it with some salt to taste. Stir in the salt well. And like I was saying, down in the description box below, which is just below this video, I'm going to list down all my Goan recipes. Now I'm going to add the prawns, mix it in well, and now we're going to stir everything and just let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes on a low flame till everything cooks really, really well. Like I remember my grandmother, we used to have this fire, cook on the fire, and she used to simmer the curries on a very low fire for a long time, and it used to really make the curries beautiful. And now you have the beautiful taste of the prawns and the raw mango, which is just divine. And the longer you keep this curry for, in the refrigerator and make a little bit hot every day, it tastes amazing. I recently uploaded my prawn and bhendi caldine recipe. You can go and check that out. I also put my Goan prawn chili fry recipe. You can go and check that out. So go in the description box and just click on whatever recipe you want to see, and you can check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video soon. Bye. Take care, guys.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.